Hello everyone, I am Christine Martinsen and I'm going to present my research article analysis on the case for and against homework by Robert J. Marzano and Deborah J. Pickering. The views on homework over the years has been cyclical, with homework being considered good, then bad, then good again, but currently there are two strong competing viewpoints on homework. In this article, authors Marzano and Pickering review a few different studies for and against homework, but ultimately take a positive approach to homework. In making the argument for homework, Marzano and Pickering review multiple homework studies. Results show that there is a direct correlation between the amount of homework a student completes and that student's level of achievement. The average student in a class with appropriately assigned homework will score 23 percentile points higher on a test than a student in a class with no homework. Furthermore, homework extends a student's learning time. Students in the US spend half as much time on academic content than students in other countries. In the argument against homework, Marzano and Pickering examined three different studies. Their research finds that homework makes students more competitive. Homework has a negative, unintentionally punitive effect on lower economic/disadvantaged students due to their challenges in completing assignments in their difficult home environments. When students have too much homework, it has a negative effect on their health. And finally, teachers are not properly trained to assign homework, so the quality of homework assigned is poor and is of little benefit to the student. After making the argument against homework, Marzano and Pickering examined the benefits of homework by grade level. Research has shown that homework has the strongest effects in higher grades, but that it can have a positive influence on lower grades as well. In the lowest grades, homework allows students to develop positive attitudes and habits, allows for parental involvement in education, and reiterates what the students have learned in the classroom. In upper elementary school, homework is shown to foster an improved academic achievement. And in grades 6 and above, homework improves grades and standardized test scores. How much homework is enough and how much homework is too much? Research has found similar time limits for homework to maximize its benefits. In 1989, a study found that ideally junior high students should complete 1 to 2 hours of homework per night. In 2006, a different study found that 12th graders should have between 1.5 and 2.5 hours of homework per night. In 2007, researcher Cooper advocated the 10-minute rule, in which students complete 10 minutes of homework multiplied by their grade level. For example, a 9th grader would have 90 minutes of homework. It is important to note that research has found that excessive homework is detrimental to student success. In discussing homework, the effects on parents and families must always be considered. Research has shown that parental assistance with homework has little benefit and may actually be detrimental to student success. Parents feel inadequate in assisting with homework, and they feel that their involvement causes stress. Researchers Epstein and Becker suggest the following guidelines for parental involvement in homework. Parents should have clearly established roles and rules for assisting with homework. Teachers should not expect parents to act as experts in a subject, nor should they expect them to assist in teaching the subject. And finally, parents need to ask questions which help their children clarify and summarize what they have learned. Overall, the benefits of homework outweigh the negatives. However, teachers do need to be diligent and mindful in creating and assigning homework to their students. The homework should have a clear purpose. It shouldn't be assigned just for the sake of assigning homework. The homework should also have a positive effect on the students, which teachers actively monitor. And finally, teachers should keep track of the amount of homework that the students are actually completing, not just how long they spend doing the homework. In closing, I wanted to share my reflection question. What indicators do you look for as an educator to tell if the homework you have assigned has a beneficial effect on your students? And how often do you evaluate the effectiveness of this homework?